Hi everyone. Welcome to this very inspiring event for all of us here. I hope all of you and your families, your dear ones at home, at work, are all safe, healthy, and happy. Uh, wish you all a very happy new year. Have a fantastic 2021. So before I hand over to the person whom you've actually come to listen to and really see the nice little interaction that she will have with the Nandi Kalis, I would like to give you a little context about Happy New You and why we are doing what we do. Right, so Happy New You is this annual campaign that we do at Lakme Salon. We've been doing it for the last 4 years. This is our fifth edition, where we ring in the new year. Right, we celebrate the year that went by. We celebrate our clients, our association with our clients, and then we sort of welcome the new year. And we've done it on various themes. I think in the initial stages when we started, we had actually collaborated with Nani Kali. Then we moved on to sustainability and did things about eco-friendly practices and green earth and contributing back to sustainability and the environment. And this year, when we started to think about what we should do for Happy New You, it's been a tough year, right? This is a year which has taught us a lot of lessons. It's been challenging in many ways. And we said, one, it's been a tough year. Two, we are not just welcoming the new year, but we're actually welcoming the new decade. So we must do something really special to really make our clients feel really treasured and also allow them not just to benefit from things, but also allow them to contribute and give back, right? And there we went back to our purpose. And at Lakme Salon, our purpose is to beautify the future. And when I say beautify the future, there are really three things that we mean. Number one is create bright futures for the young people of India. And we do that through Lakme Academy. We have about 120 Lakme Academies. And in 2019, we trained 15,000 students to build a strong and a very lucrative career as in the hair, skin, makeup categories, right? Uh, so we do that, through Lakme Academy. We have 4,000 people who work at Lakme salons, delighting customers day in and day out, and we create great career paths, entrepreneurial opportunities for them. So first part is about building a brighter future for our teams and our ecosystem. The second part is about our clients and making our clients look great, feel great, and get more out of life. And we've been doing it for the last 40 years, right? We are in our 40th year at Lakme Salon. And over the years, time and again, we've made our customers look great, feel great, and get more out of life with happy skin and happy hair, right? So that's the second part. And the third part is about creating a certain sensitivity to the environment, adopting sustainable salon practices, and really creating a happy earth. And we said this time when we do Happy New You, let's bring all of it together. So therefore, if you see Happy New You this time, we have 6 parts to it. The first, of course, is the core of our existence, right? Which is to create or give our customers happy skin and happy hair. And we, through this initiative, we are actually helping our customers with customized happy skin and happy hair plans with our happy hair and happy skin coaches, right? So every customer actually has a chance to get a customized 30 or a 90-day plan to get happy skin or happy hair, right? So that's the first part, which is really the core of our business. The second part is about happy mind and happy body. And more than ever, 2020 has taught us that beauty is a holistic concept. To have happy skin and happy hair, you need to have a happy mind and a happy body. And that's why we've tied up with Fitsu and created fitness and nutrition lessons for our customers. The second thing is about a happy mind. Number one in 2020 that everyone really was worried about was their safety, and our team worked really hard. With a panel of doctors, we put together 55 steps in the entire Lakme Salon customer journey, and we created a safe haven in our salons where our customers were absolutely reassured when they've stepped into a Lakme salon. And you don't need to take my word for it, but 97% of our customers rated that Lakme salon was even safer than their home. And I think this is a bigger tribute, which really keeps, at one end, it makes us feel really happy, but on the other end, it makes us feel really responsible and feel the pressure of delivering to such high expectations that our clients have of us. So there's happy skin, happy hair, a happy mind, and a happy body. Then we said, what's next is that you have to give our customers and ourselves a chance to contribute back to the community, to the ecosystem, and to the earth that we live on. So we had 2 parts, which was one was Happy Earth, where we plant trees on behalf of our customers. And the second one, where we said to really create bright futures, you have to invest in education. And what's more important than girl child education in India? What is even better is to associate with an organization like Nanhi Kali, which has been really spearheading this cause for the last so many years, and we all trust. And we look at delight when we look at them in delight when we see the great work that they've done over these years. So we associated with Nanhi Kali and give ourselves as well as our customers a chance to invest or to sponsor or support the education of a girl child. And together with Student of the Year, Ananya Pandey, we come together and we are sponsoring the education or supporting the education of 100 Nanhi Kalis for 1 year. Right? And with that, I would like to conclude this little context about Lakme Salon's Beautify the Future purpose, how it comes alive across these 2 months as we welcome the new decade through happy skin, happy hair, through happy mind and happy body, but more importantly, by spreading happy smiles with Nanhi Kali and we have Ananya Pandey on board for this initiative. And of course, Happy Earth, where we plant trees on behalf of our customers and create a greener earth, a much better environment where all of us can thrive and prosper. With that, I'd like to really welcome Ananya, who I think in many ways epitomizes everything that we spoke about, right? Ananya really stands for happiness, and for lots of girls across this country, they really look up to Ananya, not just for a lady who has really pursued her dreams and is making a name for herself, but more importantly, the way she does it, and just the vivaciousness and the cheerfulness that she brings to any forum that she graces, right? So with that, I'd like to welcome Student of the Year and Lakme Brand Ambassador Ananya Pandey to take over from here. Hi, Ananya.
Hi. Can you hear me?
Yes, Ananya, we can. Over to you.
Happy New Year, everyone. I hope everyone has been safe, and as the saying goes, Happy New You. So I hope you guys are even happier in the new year, and your families, friends, everyone is just safe and full of happiness. And I was just listening to what Sir was saying at the start of the conversation, and so many of these ideas resonated with me so much. So I'm really excited to be a part of the Happy New You campaign and, spread happy smiles in 2021 by, giving the gift of education, which I feel is one of the best gifts anyone can give anyone actually, which is the gift of education to the Nanhi Kalis. And, I feel like education is something that for me has been so important. It kind of makes your formative years, and my education and my school life has impacted me and the person that I am even today so much. Like whenever someone asks me what's been the best time of my life, I'll always say that my school life has been the best part of my life, because along with education, which is obviously the most important, you learn so many life skills, you learn social skills, you meet so many different people from so many different walks of life. And I feel like education can't only be confined in those four walls of in your school. It's all about the real world and real life and what you can learn from each person that you meet every day. So I feel like education is an ever evolving process, and you learn so much every single day. And I just love the entire holistic approach that Lakme Salon has, when you kind of, along with talking about having happy skin and having happy hair, you're also focusing on having a happy mind, body, and soul, which is equally, if not more important, because, beauty radiates from within. You have to be happy from inside for it to glow and come out on the outside. And I just think everything that Lakme Salon is doing, be it the eco-friendly side of everything that they're looking at, or sponsoring the education of 100, young girls, I think it's just amazing. And I'm so excited to be a part of this campaign.
Thank you, Ananya. Thank you so much for coming on board and helping us spread the word for this cause. When somebody of your stature comes and supports a cause, it really increases the spread of it and helps us make a greater impact. In keeping with that, we have two special little guests for today's event. Two girls from Nanhi Kali who will be joining us, and they have some little messages also for you. Can I have Al-Shifa Khan and Al-Shifa Ali Asghar on screen, please?
Hi, ma'am. Hi, Didi. Hi, Didi.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Al-Shifa. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Hello.
आप बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हो दीदी। आप बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हो दीदी।
आप दोनों इतने क्यूट लग रहे हो। मुझे आपका रेड लिपस्टिक बहुत पसंद है और आपका लाल दुपट्टा बहुत पसंद है। आप दोनों मैच भी कर रहे हो।
थैंक यू दीदी।
तो मैंने आपके लिए कोई क्वेश्चंस प्रिपेयर किए हैं। क्या आप तैयार हो? मैं आपको कुछ पूछने वाली हूँ।
यस।
तो आप मुझे थोड़ा अपने बारे में बताइए कि आपके परिवार में कौन कौन है, आपके मम्मी पापा क्या करते हैं, आपके कोई भाई बहन हैं, मुझे सब कुछ जानना है।
My name is Al-Shifa Asghar Ali Khan. My father name is Asghar Ali Khan. My mom name is Akliun Nisa. मेरी 6 sisters है, no brothers. और मेरे अब्बू वर्कर हैं और मेरी मम्मी हाउसवाइफ है।
आपकी 6 बहनें हैं?
यस।
और आप सबसे छोटी हो या बड़ी?
सबसे छोटी।
ओह, मेरी सिर्फ एक बहन है। आप बहनों के बीच लड़ाइयाँ होती है या आप सब साथ में हंसी मजाक करते रहते हैं?
साथ में हंसी मजाक करते हैं।
वेरी गुड, हैप्पी रहना चाहिए। और आप बताइए अल-शिफा।
माय नेम इज खान शिफा नसीबुल्ला और मेरे अब्बा बिजनेसमैन है और मम्मी हाउसवाइफ है और हम लोग 5 सिस्टर्स है और सिर्फ एक भाई है।
सिर्फ एक भाई 5 बहनों के साथ? आप उनको
यस।
सताते हैं?
हाँ।
पता था मुझे। तो मुझे बताइए कि आपको स्कूल जाना पसंद है?
हाँ पसंद है।
कितना पसंद है?
इतना सारा।
इतना सारा। तो स्कूल के बारे में क्या पसंद है आप दोनों को?
स्कूल में बहुत मज़ा आता है और टीचर्स के साथ मस्ती करने में और टीचर्स जब पढ़ाते हैं तो बहुत मज़ा आता है।
और आप अल-शिफा?
स्कूल में मजा आता है टीचर लोग के टाइम स्पेंड करने में और मजा आता है फ्रेंड्स लोग के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करने बहुत मजा आता है। बहुत सारी चीजों में स्कूल में मजा आती है।
और आपका
स्कूल में बहुत मजा आते हैं।
आपका
मेरा इंग्लिश है दीदी।
इंग्लिश। और आपका मैथ ना?
हाँ।
तो आपको मैथ क्यों पसंद है? मुझे मैथ तो बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं।
आपको?
मेरा सबसे फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट स्कूल में साइंस होता था। मुझे बायोलॉजी बहुत पसंद थी और साइकोलॉजी। पर मुझे मैथ तो मुझे मत पूछना क्योंकि मेरा मैथ बहुत खराब है। पर आप मुझे बताइए 12 टाइम्स 5 क्या होता है? 12 मल्टीप्लाई
60।
इतनी जल्दी कैसे पता?
क्योंकि मुझे टेबल्स याद है।
ओके, आप मुझसे पूछिए, मुझे देखना है अगर मुझे कोई टेबल आता है।
3 multiply 7.
21, right?
Yes. 15 multiply 9.
You multiply by what?
9.
ये मुझे लिखना पड़ेगा, मुझे वो टेबल करने पड़ेंगे। एक सेकंड। 15 into 9 is 135।
सही है दीदी।
ये और आप बताइए, आपको इंग्लिश पसंद है ना? इंग्लिश में क्या सीखा है आपने? कोई गेम्स के डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड सीखे हैं ना?
हाँ।
बताइए।
माउंटेन्स, कार्ड्स, कैन, बहुत सारे वर्ड्स।
तो इंग्लिश आपका फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट है। आप किताबें पढ़ती हैं?
यस।
कौन सी फेवरेट है आपकी?
क्या दीदी?
आपकी फेवरेट किताब कौन सी है?
मेरी इंग्लिश द माउंटेन्स।
माउंटेन्स। आपको हैरी पॉटर पढ़ना चाहिए, वो मेरी सबसे फेवरेट किताब है और मुझे लगता
ओके
है
दीदी।
बहुत पसंद आएगी। तो मुझे
ओके।
बताइए कि जब आप बड़े होने वाले हो आपको क्या बनना है?
मुझे दीदी डॉक्टर बनना है।
मुझे भी डॉक्टर बनना था। आपको क्यों डॉक्टर बनना है?
मेरे को डॉक्टर इसलिए बनना है कि जो हमारे देश में बहुत सारे जन इलाज को लेकर परेशान होते हैं, तो मेरे को लगता है उनकी हमें मदद करना चाहिए और उनका इलाज करना चाहिए।
वो बहुत 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 अच्छी सोच है, आई एम वेरी वेरी प्राउड।
थैंक यू दीदी।
और आप बताइए आपको क्या बनना है?
मुझे भी डॉक्टर बनना है।
वेरी गुड, आई एम सो हैप्पी। आई थिंक डॉक्टर सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट जॉब है और आप लोगों की जान बचाने वाले हैं, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स वेरी 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 गुड एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। और आप दोनों बहुत 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 स्मार्ट हैं।
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू दीदी।
और आपका फेवरेट कार्टून कौन सा है?
मेरा डोरेमोन।
मेरा
डोरे।
शिनचैन।
ओ क्या, क्योंकि वो मस्तीखोर है ना इसलिए? बहुत मस्ती करते हैं ना।
यस दीदी।
यस दीदी।
नोबिता पसंद है
हाँ।
पर डोरेमोन ज्यादा पसंद है ना, क्योंकि उसके पास वो मैजिकल चीजें हैं उनके पॉकेट के अंदर,
यस मैम।
इसलिए ना। और जब लॉकडाउन चल रहा था आप कैसे पढ़ाई करते थे घर पर?
ऑनलाइन।
ऑनलाइन? तो ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई में कैसे मजा आता था, क्योंकि आप दोस्तों को नहीं मिल पाते थे, तो कैसे होता था?
जितना दीदी ऑनलाइन में मजा आता है, उससे ज्यादा स्कूल में मजा आता था, फ्रेंड्स के साथ, टीचर्स के साथ
मुझे
पढ़ाई करने में।
जब मैं छोटी थी कभी कभी अगर मैं थोड़ी बीमार होती थी तो मेरी मॉम कहती थी रेस्ट ले लो, स्कूल मत जाओ, पर मैं रोने लगती थी क्योंकि मुझे स्कूल जाना इतना पसंद था। मुझे मेरे दोस्तों के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना इतना पसंद था कि मैं रोने लगती थी कि मुझे स्कूल जाना है, मुझे स्कूल जाना है। तो मुझे बहुत मजा आता था मेरे स्कूल में।
यस दीदी।
तो मेरे लिए कोई क्वेश्चंस है आपके?
दीदी जब आप छोटे थे बचपन में, तो आप स्कूल जाना पसंद करते थे?
हाँ, मैंने मेरे पास 100% अटेंडेंस था। इसका मतलब कि पूरे एक साल में स्कूल के मैंने एक भी दिन मिस नहीं किया था। मुझे इतना पसंद था स्कूल में दोस्तों के साथ स्नैक ब्रेक में बैठकर टिफिन शेयर करना और क्लास के बीच में ऐसे वो चिट्स पास करना। और मुझे पढ़ाई में भी बहुत मजा आता था, तो मुझे स्कूल जाना बहुत पसंद है। और अगर मैं वापस जा सकूं कभी स्कूल, मैं भाग के चली जाऊंगी।
थैंक यू दीदी।
दीदी आप इतनी खूबसूरत कैसे हो?
आप इतनी खूबसूरत कैसे हो, पहले मुझे वो बताइए। क्योंकि आप हैप्पी हो और आप स्माइल करते हो और आपकी स्माइल बहुत खूबसूरत है, तो अगर आप स्माइल करोगे तो आप हैप्पी रहोगे और आप खूबसूरत रहोगे। तो स्माइल करते रहिए, ओके? स्माइल करो।
आप आपने कभी ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई की है?
नहीं, क्योंकि जब मैं स्कूल में थी तो उस टाइम हम सब हर रोज स्कूल जाते थे और तभी लैपटॉप्स और सब तभी शुरू हुए थे, तो हम इतना घर पर पढ़ाई नहीं करते थे। हम ज्यादातर स्कूल में पढ़ाई करते थे। पर आई डोंट नो कैसे रहेगा, क्योंकि मुझे भी पसंद आता था जब मैं मेरे दोस्तों से मिलती थी और उनके साथ बैठकर पढ़ाई करती थी। तो मैंने ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई नहीं की है। पर मेरी छोटी बहन है, वो स्कूल में है, वो ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई कर रही है।
आपका फेवरेट हीरो कौन है?
रणवीर सिंह। आपका?
मेरा भी।
आपका भी? और आपका अलशिफा?
सलमान खान दीदी।
ओह, और आपकी फेवरेट हीरोइन कौन सी है?
मेरी अनन्या पांडे।
थैंक यू।
वेलकम दीदी।
अब
दीदी मैंने आपके लिए बुकेज बनाए हैं।
थैंक यू, पर मैं कैसे लूंगी आपसे?
आप दीदी बस इसका एक्सेप्ट कर लीजिए ऐसी।
थैंक यू, मैं अपने दिल में रखने वाली हूँ आपका ये बुके।
थैंक यू दीदी।
थैंक यू सो मच अलशिफा। आपने भी कुछ बनाया है?
हाँ, ये मैंने कोरोना के बारे में बनाई हूँ। और ये डॉक्टर्स, रिपोर्टर सब कोरोना को किल कर रहे हैं। और हमें भी कोशिश करनी चाहिए कि कोरोना जल्दी से जल्दी हट जाए।
जी बिल्कुल।
और आपने भी एक पेंटिंग बनाई है।
हाँ, स्वच्छ योद्धा पर, कि क्योंकि हमारे देश में बहुत गंदगी हो रही है, तो मैं चाहती हूँ, मेरी बात तो सिर्फ मेरे घर वाले ही सुनेंगे, तो मैं चाहती हूँ, आप तो एक बहुत बड़े सेलिब्रिटी हो, तो आप तो सबको बोल सकते हो, आपकी तो सब लोग बात सुनेंगे। टीचर दीदी प्लीज आप ये सबको बताइए, इसलिए बनाई हूँ मैंने कि हम लोग कोविड-19 से बचे
आप इतनी क्यूट हो, आई थिंक सिर्फ आपके घर वाले नहीं, सब आपकी बात सुनने वाले।
और अपने आजू बाजू सफाई रखें।
Very cute, very commendable. Ananya, do you have a special message or anything to say for these two little girls and all the other girls from Nanhi Kali?
आई थिंक जब आप स्माइल करते हो, जब आप खुश रहते हो, वो मेरा दिल भी बहुत खुश करता है। और मैं बहुत हैप्पी हूँ कि आप दोनों को डॉक्टर बनना है और आपको पढ़ाई इतना पसंद है, आपको स्कूल जाना इतना पसंद है, तो कीप आप करते रहिए, स्कूल जाते रहिए और जस्ट बी हैप्पी एंड कीप स्माइलिंग। और आप दोनों बहुत क्यूट हो, बहुत स्मार्ट हो।
दी, मैंने लिए आपके एक कार्ड बनाया, थैंक यू के लिए, हमारे नन्ही कली को सपोर्ट करने के लिए।
दीदी मैंने भी बनाया है, क्योंकि आपने हमारे साथ टाइम स्पेंड किया, आप इतने बिजी रहते हो, तभी भी आपने हम लोग के साथ टाइम निकाला। थैंक यू दीदी।
मुझे बहुत मजा आया। और काश, आई मीन होपफुली इंशाल्लाह जल्दी मैं आप दोनों को रियल लाइफ में मिल सकूं और बहुत टाइट हग दे सकूं।
यस दीदी।
हाँ यस दीदी।
सून सून सून।
मैं भी आपके लिए बहुत मिलने के लिए एक्साइटेड थी, तो मैं पहले, मेरा यही सपना था कि मैं आपसे मिलूं, तो आज आपसे लाइव बात कर रही हूँ, मगर मेरा दिल कहता है कि मैं आपसे फेस टू फेस बात करूं।
जल्दी हम मिलने वाले हैं, ठीक है?
यस दीदी।
थैंक यू अलशिफा एंड अलशिफा। आप दोनों के नाम भी सेम है, आप दोनों क्यूट भी उतनी ही हैं। थैंक यू, आपने इतना जो बनाया। वी विल गेट दीज डिलीवर्ड टू यू. Yeah, so we'll get this from the Nanhi Kali team and have this sent over to you from both the little girls that we have. Push, do you have any message to give? These are the girls that we will be supporting as part of the entire initiative.
Sure, अलशिफा एंड शिफा, बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे मिलके। आई विश यू ऑल द लक। ऐसे ही खूब पढ़ाई करो, मेहनत करो, एंड आई एम श्योर वेरी सून यू विल बिकम डॉक्टर्स एंड डू गुड वर्क इन योर कम्युनिटी। आपकी कम्युनिटी में आप बहुत बढ़िया काम करेंगी, आप और भी छोटी छोटी लड़कियों को इंस्पायर करेंगी, एंड दिस इज द फ्यूचर ऑफ इंडिया। आई एम रियली रियली हैप्पी टू सी। मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ ऐसे देखने के लिए कि आप कितनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं। आपकी ड्राइंग इतनी अच्छी है, आई एम रियली शॉक्ड to see or really surprised to see your drawing is so good, right? Both of you are extremely talented, so always keep working hard and have a bright future.
थैंक यू सर। दीदी मैंने आपके लिए एक शायरी लिखी हूँ।
प्लीज इरशाद सुनाइए।
थैंक यू दीदी। निकाल दे अपने दिल से सारा डर, निकाल दे अपने दिल से सारा डर, नज़ारे मिलेंगे फिर तेरी नज़र को नए, नज़ारे मिलेंगे फिर तेरी नज़र को नए, दामन भर जाएगा फैन से तुम्हारा, दामन भर जाएगा फैन से तुम्हारा, ये दुनिया देखेगी तब तुम्हारे उभरते हुए हुनर को।
आई थिंक ये आपको खुद के लिए लिखनी चाहिए। थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू दीदी सर।
दीदी मैंने भी आपके लिए कुछ लिखी हूँ।
सुनाइए।
लाखों हंसी जहां में देखे, लाखों हंसी जहां में देखे, पर मेरा यकीन करो तुम जैसा दूसरा कहीं न देखा। ये नूर, ये निखार, ये शौक है, अगर कहीं जन्नत है तो यही है, यही है, यही है।
वाओ, अमेजिंग, आप दोनों बहुत टैलेंटेड हो।
थैंक यू दीदी।
So good.
Thank you everyone. To all our guests, if you have any questions, please continue to type them in the chat box and we will address it to the special guests on screen. Henna? We have some questions here already. Ananya, you said you have 100% attendance in school. Really? Was this throughout?
I like 2-3 years in a row, I actually got a certificate of 100% attendance because I used to attend every day of school. I was just obsessed with school.
Wow. And were you a good student? Were you a naughty student? Were you the teacher's pet?
I was the teacher's pet. I was the class monitor actually. And I was very irritating because I used to, scratch the chalkboard. I used to make that noise when no one used to listen to me. So I was a very good, I was the teacher's pet, you could say. Yeah.
Wow. Push, there is one question for you. You mentioned that, this is the second year that you have partnered. We have partnered with Nanhi Kali as part of Lakme Salon. And you mentioned that the whole concept of education is very close to your heart and to the heart of that's part of the vision. Can you elaborate a little bit on this, please?
So, of course, see, we are a young country, right? India, the average age is about 28. And as you know, we've been amongst the fastest growing economies for a bit now. What's really critical is that in a young country, we really need to invest in education and create bright futures and bright careers for our youth, right? And therefore, I think it's really important if for every industry player to come forward and create a path of education and career growth and learning opportunities for the talent pipeline that India really has. And that's why in our own small way at Lakme Salon, we created Lakme Academy about 4 years ago. We had 0 Lakme Academies. That's the time we really started out. And in 4 years, we expanded to 120 academies. And these 120 academies in 2019 trained about 15,000 students. This year, we hope to train 25,000 students and then create meaningful career paths for them. And when I say career, I don't just mean that they will grow in the corporate career, but they can actually, benefit from the entrepreneurial opportunities that we have at Lakme Salon by becoming Lakme Salon partners through our LEAD program as well, right? So we take that as our responsibility to beautify the future of the ecosystem and the community that we operate in. And I think, therefore, it makes eminent sense for us to partner with someone like Nanhi Kali, who has been at the forefront of girl-child education, right? And really, power aspiration and talent and skills, and therefore a great career and a bright future for the girls of India. And it was an honor, really, and a privilege to see how Shifa and Al Shifa have really bloomed, right? You can see that they have the aspiration to be doctors, but they're so exceptionally gifted in art, in the way they've written, in the way they're articulating. Just look at their confidence when they're speaking to Ananya, right? And I just think, I'm truly inspired by the work that Nanhi Kali has done. And I just think in many ways, it's a meeting of minds and a meeting of aspirations and hopes.
Thank you so much. Ananya, a couple of more questions that are coming in. One is, and this is from our friends at Jagran, and it says कि इतनी कम उम्र में सेवा भाव की ये प्रेरणा कब और किससे मिली आपको?
इतनी कम उम्र में आई थिंक क्योंकि हम एजुकेशन की बात कर रहे हैं, आई थिंक मेरे स्कूल से मिली और मेरे पेरेंट्स से ऑब्वियसली, पर आई थिंक मेरे लिए मेरा स्कूल भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट रहा था। मेरा एक्सपीरियंस मेरे स्कूल में उन्होंने हमें हमेशा सिखाया कि the gift of giving and accepting people and giving, gifts and giving away and giving all the love that you have So I think मैंने वो अपने स्कूल से सीखा था.
And of course, it is, in you that you want to spread this word and, the whole message of education for the girls. One more question is, okay, this one. You said that, you mentioned that you wanted to be a doctor, and then you grew up, and now you're an actor. How did this transition happen?
Okay, so I always wanted to be an actor. Like I've always wanted to be an actor. But when I was in school, I was very interested in biology and psychology. They were both my favorite subjects. And both my grandparents from my father's side are doctors. Like my grandfather was a heart surgeon, and my grandmother's also a doctor. So for me, it was just in my formative years, it was very inspiring for me. And I was just very interested in the subject. So for a brief period, I did want to be a doctor, for sure.
For a brief period, I also wanted to be a doctor. And then, I realized that the exam was really, really difficult to crack. So, मैं नहीं बनी, अनन्या दीदी नहीं बने, but आप लोग दोनों please बनिएगा. आप लोग बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ाई करिएगा, है ना? Push, did you also want to be a doctor? Just checking on these questions here.
Well, yes and no. I think everyone, gets inspired by films, right? So whichever film actor you idolize at one point in time, you want to be that. So there are times when I wanted to be a police inspector. There were times when I wanted to be a doctor. There were times when I wanted to be an architect, which I finally ended up becoming. And yeah, I think it's the responsibility of schools today to create aspiration in their children, right? Because we have abundant talent in India. And if schools create a culture and an environment of continuous learning and create aspiration in students, I'm sure, all our kids will go and, touch the sky.
Thank you. So, couple of more questions. The next one is from Zoya. And Zoya asks, Ananya, how does this collaboration with the Happy New You campaign happen? And I'm going to add, how do you feel now that you've collaborated with us for this message?
I think the collaboration happened because, as I said, all the ideas that you guys spoke of, they really resonated with me, be it the holistic approach to beauty and, beauty is so much more than just being skin deep. It's about being beautiful on the inside, which really reflects on the outside. So the fact that Lakme Salon looks into all aspects of it is what really spoke to me. And also the fact that you guys are innovating every year and trying to give back to every, sect of society and the environment and the world. And I think this year is by far the best initiative because you're empowering the girl child. And as you said, when you empower and you give a child education, you're actually investing in the future because they're all going to go ahead and they're going to lead our country and lead the world in some way. And I think the girl child is the most powerful. She has the most untapped raw potential and talent, as we've seen with both of these wonderful girls. They're gifted in every way, not just studies but in the arts as well, with their poetry and their drawing and everything. So the fact that there's this holistic approach with education balanced with the arts is something that really inspires me and resonates with me. And I think the best gift, as I said, that you can give someone is a gift of education, because it's such a constant process. It's going to be with you lifelong and it's going to help you in so many ways. And now that I've done the collaboration, I'm just so happy, everything aside, that I got to speak to these two girls and, hopefully meet them someday and meet all the 100 girls and more. And it's just such a beautiful message and idea. And I'm so happy to have contributed to it in any way. And I really want to urge everyone out there to just contribute in any way that they can and just spread the word and spread the message and tag their friends and tag their families, because it's really a beautiful thing that you guys are doing.
Thank you so much. There's another question, and Push, I'd ask you to also give your inputs on this. It says it's from Rakshanda, and she's asking that what are the education challenges that we are looking to tackle via this campaign? Push, if you could just answer for this one.
Sure. So I think I'll answer this question at two levels, right? One is, what are the education challenges that we are trying to tackle by this campaign? And two is, as Lakme Salon and Lakme Academy, how are we helping in that larger cause? Number one, I think here, rather than tackling this campaign ourselves, I think we have faith in a partner who has the credibility to make a significant difference in Nanikali, right? And Nanikali sponsors and supports and handholds girl children for their education at two levels, primary kids as well as advanced or secondary school kids. And we have partnered with them, and then they take on from there and follow through on the education promise. At our level, what we do is, a lot of children in India, they're not fortunate to be very well equipped, or they probably don't get the stimulus at an early age on the formal of the conventional education, right? So the math, science, geography, social studies, the languages, etc. But they're exceptionally gifted, right? So they have exceptional finger dexterity. They're really qualified when it comes to, I would say not qualified, but they're really talented when it comes to the arts, visual arts. And I think by creating outstanding opportunities or platforms to learn and train and refine their skills through internship opportunities, at Lakme Academy and Lakme Salon, we are creating career paths for them to really flourish all the way to. So, I'm really proud of some of my colleagues who started out as junior hairdressers or junior skin therapists about 7-8 years back. And today they're either trainers in Lakme Salon, so middle management level, or they own their own Lakme Salon, right? In fact, I have a colleague in Pune. 4 years back, he was an expert. He was a hairdresser in one of our salons. Today, he has 2 flourishing salons in the city of Pune, and he's talking to us for opening his 3rd salon there, right? And I think what's important is not just are we creating these great career and entrepreneurship opportunities which create more jobs for the youth in India, but we are also in some way not creating urban stress. They don't need to leave their towns and really travel to a Mumbai or a Bangalore to set up these entrepreneurial ventures. They can sit in a Batala, they can sit in a Dasua, and create these opportunities for themselves. Right. So to answer that question, at one level, and for girl child education, we are partnering with someone we completely trust and has the credibility. And on the other level, we take it as our responsibility as a leading player in this industry with experience of 40 years in this trade to actually create great careers and great entrepreneurial opportunities for our teams.
Thank you so much, Push. We have 2 people from the audience who want to ask a question. They've raised their hands. Romana and Ravi, if you can please type in your questions. आप अपने questions please लिख दीजिए ताकि हम पूछ सकें, क्योंकि that's the only way of this coordination, please. Yeah, just 1 minute. I'm just going to check if there are any more questions. Okay, they say that we have answered their questions. Right. So, thank you so much. Thank you, Push. Thank you, Ananya. Thank you, Shifa and Al-Shifa, for coming here and spending time with us. Ananya, any last message that you would like to give everybody who's viewing in or who's tuned in right now for the girl child?
Yes, thank you so much for having me here and letting me be a part of something that's so inspiring and that's so important right now. And it's something that's, just so important, not just now, but it'll always be so important. And you guys are really spreading the right message. Just with the Happy New You campaign, it's just, setting all the right tones and just saying exactly the right thing right now. And I just think that everyone should start this decade off on a positive note, on a happy note. And, they should do something nice, something positive and something happy. And I think this is something that for me is that if, associating with this and being a part of this is that happiness. I'm getting happiness from doing this. And, the gift of education, as I spoke about, is just the best gift that you can give someone. So I really urge everyone to go out there and support this cause and be a part of it, because it's really fulfilling.
Thank you so much, Ananya. Thank you for your time. Thank you, Push. And just a reminder that the ways that you can participate and contribute, Lakme Salon will sponsor the education of 100 girls, the primary education for 1 year. But if you want to contribute, you can come, you can spin the wheel of happiness at your nearest Lakme Salon, which is voted to be safer than home by 96.7% of our customers. So we're really safe. You can spin the wheel of happiness online, or you can tag 10 of your friends on our social media handle and spread the word. And, we will then take this ahead and make a contribution in your name. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. All the best, Al-Shifa and Shifa.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.